Alrighty, this ought to be cute. Of course, I don't have my eyes on.
Do we need to fetch
You
the
might want
eyes?
to put them on.
Oh, dear God.
Or the eyes.
Oh, they're in the kitchen. This is not good. Oh, my God.
Hey, Grams.
Are you serious?
Yep.
Really?
Yeah?
Yep.
She's pregnant.
I kind of guessed that.
Oh, fuck you.
Whoa! Now it's Christmas!
That's perfect.
Officially Christmas.
That's perfect for the baby book.
Seriously.
Yeah.
Seriously.
You know how long we've been... It's been... That's why I haven't really been talking to you guys, because... Those are yours.